జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 8th చాప్టర్ అక్షర పరబ్రహ్మయోగము 14th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, now I am going to tell you about the process of meditation which has to be followed by those who wants to attain me, who wants to be with me. They are known as Jnani. So what they have to do is, ever since they decided to obtain me, they should remember me always. They have to be thinking about me constantly. I should become the most important one to them. Then, when the moment they start thinking about me, I will start thinking about them, and I will take responsibility to remove all the hindrances for them to attain me. I will also make their meditation so intense so that they feel that they are actually having my darshanam. To that extent, I will intensify their meditation, and also I will put so much of love in their heart towards me. With all this, they reach to a stage where they cannot spend even a single moment without thinking about me, and they cannot bear the separation from me at all. Then I take entire responsibility to make sure they attain Paramapadam and they sit in my lap in Paramapadam. Until then, in each and every step, I take responsibility. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining the process of Vipassana for the people who wants to attain Sri Krishna Paramatma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Ananya chetaha satatam yo mam smarati nityasaha tasyaham sulabhah pardha nityayuktasya yoginaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror Galitam Phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava Sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantamanupeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravo Vineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Sriman Narayana like this. O Sriman Narayana, in all the bodies there are souls. In those souls, you always lives as an Antaryami, and you will be controlling them, and you will be taking their responsibility, and you will be wishing their well-being. That is what is you. O Sriman Narayana, like this, whoever realizes that you are there in each and every entity, and whoever is more compassionate towards all the entities, they are the one who deserves your anugraham. O Sriman Narayana, I realize that you are never pleased by the worship which has so many desires behind it. O Sriman Narayana, Adhvara Adyaihi Danena cha Ugra Tapasa Paricharyaya cha Aradhanam Bhagavataha. All the traditional activities, all the rituals, all the charities, all the austerities, the ultimate purpose of all these activities is to please you, is to bring happiness to you. Akhila Parayana Sthiti Nopparedi Ni Padabja Yugali Seva Abhipuja Samarpita Dharmundaguvani Bhangin Asurari Deva Chudamani. All the chantings, parayanas, all the yajnas, all the charities, whoever does all of those activities as your aradhana, they will never get destroyed. Dharmorpitaha karihichit mriyate na yatra. Those who performs dharma karyas, they never get destroyed. and none of the traditional Vedic activities goes in vain. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Srimannarayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 14th sloka. Ananya Chetaha Satatam Yo Mam Smarati Nityasaha Tasyaham Sulabhah Pardha Nityayuktasya Yoginaha. Ananyacheta satatam yo mam smarati nityasaha tasyaham sulabhah pardha nityayuktasya yoginaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.